Zhong Carbon Energy Co Limited was established in 2017 and is headquartered in Guanxian City, Liaocheng City, Shandong Province. It is a company specializing in the production and sales of carbon products. It has modern production workshops and large storage workshops. After years of development, the company has become a well-known enterprise in the domestic carbon industry, and its products are exported to many overseas countries and regions. Our company has advanced production equipment, a complete and scientific quality management system, and a complete inspection process to ensure the best product quality. Our company's main products are graphite petroleum coke, semi-graphite petroleum coke, artificial graphite bean-shaped granules, artificial graphite columnar granules, high-purity graphite granules, and graphite electrode granules. The carbon content of graphite petroleum coke is stable at about 98.5%, and the sulfur content is stable at about 0.05%. At the same time, it can tailor the products you need for you according to your use. Our company always adheres to the business philosophy of quality-oriented honesty and trustworthiness, and strives to give customers the most satisfactory products.